I went to try Japanese soda.
Kendall wants me to videotape her sucking down a Jap soda. Thrill of the day. There you go.
Okay, well now I gotta use this
Now
thing.
you gotta read. You almost had to wait.
It's got directions.
You almost had to read. Read out loud for everyone.
Okay, well I stretched. Okay, remove
You need me to translate it?
remove the something from the top. Detach the plunger from the center of the cap. I guess this is the plunger. I didn't even get it. Okay, I got it. Make you put this on here. Wait, hold on. Press down firmly to release something.
BAM! Ow. Oh my God.
I can't get it to go!
Snap it.
I almost got it.
They're childproof.
Got it.
Okay. How is it?
It's good.
Okay. Are we done here?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Okay. You gonna gargle it? Tell
I think
everyone
it
goodbye.
growled at me.